Hey, what's up guys? Rob from clicksgeek.com, and today's video we're going to go through a case study for a septic system repair, maintenance, replacement, installation, pumping, all kinds of different septic services client, and their results in the first 30 days running. I actually don't think it's even been 30 days. They started running the campaign on August 31st. We went live, and today is September 11th. So not even a full 30 days, barely half a month, and we're going to go through results of that right now. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description. There's lots of free trainings, and there's also a link to apply to work with us if you are a septic company and you need leads like this for your septic company. We can clone this campaign and roll it out to your location. We have this campaign completely dialed in where it's just clone, swap, and deploy in a new location, and you can expect results like this as well. All right, let's get right into it. We're looking at the ad group level because this client has like 50 campaigns on right now. And let me move my head. You can see here all our ad groups. We have septic systems, pumping, cleaning, services, maintenance, repairs, locating, inspections, and treatment. So in the first 30 days, actually the first 15 days, they've gotten 25 leads at a cost per lead of $32.09. Now we are defining a lead as an inbound phone call or as a full contact form submission, which is just a form that collects name, email, phone number, and I believe it's a drop-down box that says type of service requested, and it's cleaning, pumping, repairs, replacement, installations, and all the different services they have. So that's all the contact form is, and that's how we're tracking the leads. So the conversion rate's not that great, but this is a brand new campaign, so I'm not really concerned about that yet. We haven't really had a chance to dial it in, but right now it's converting at 14%, almost 15%. So not thrilled about that, but it's a 15-day-old campaign, and that is how it always starts out. So if we go into advanced bid adjustment, you can see here their call traffic is incredible. So 17 clicks, 15 conversions, $6.29 per call. So that's pretty amazing. And they're only at a 48% coverage rate, so that means we have plenty of room to run here with this. So I'm actually going to jack this up to 25. We go into devices. We have mobile, desktop computer, and tablet. You can see here, desktop computer is getting us really expensive leads and a really shitty conversion rate. So I've actually decreased bids on that, and I'm going to probably pull that down another 5%. You see where that shakes out. And we're doing really great on mobile phones, 23 leads, $28 a conversion, 17% conversion rate, and I will definitely bump this to 20 because we still have room to run there with impression share at the top, really at 83%. So that looks good. If we go into the keywords, I'll show you guys the keywords that are driving all the leads, and you can see here, phrase match and exact match is all we're running. And it looks like bulk of the leads are coming from phrase match. Let me just sort this. We got some exact in here too, but mostly phrase match. And this is all, these are great keywords. Septic tank cleaning services, septic tank cleaning companies, septic cleaning, right? Service, pumping, 2 leads from pumping. Oh wait, a lot more actually, like 6. And then we have some generic terms, septic systems, 4 leads. So these are all really high quality leads. These aren't bullshit broad match keywords that are driving random people looking for other septic companies, stuff like that. These are higher quality leads. And you can see down here is we have a lot more exact match, but for right now it looks like the bulk of everything's coming from phrase match, which I'm fine with. So if we went through the keywords though, let's do add to click. Just kind of take a look here. So this is 0 for 8. So this is something that I actually might pause. If it goes 0 for 10, I'm pausing it. 30. So we basically blew $36, no lead. But if we can get a lead within 10 clicks, I'll take it. But that's pretty much how I'm going to run this campaign. Is I'm not messing around. If it's 0 for 10, I'm out. So yeah, got a lot of optimization to do here, but it's a good start. 15 days, 25 leads. These are high value leads. If you can get a septic tank installation or even repair, stuff like that, these are high value leads. This is not, you know, a simple as junk removal where the guy's going to make $500 off the job. This is going to be thousands of dollars if they get a big job from this, and those will come. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you have a septic company, you can take these keywords and run them for yourself. Our ads are all basically they're very generic. They're not anything crazy. Call for help. Each ad group has its own. So this one's obviously talking about pumping, stuff like that, and call to actions. All their awards they won, where they're located, areas they serve, hours of operation, stuff like that. I work all that into the ad copy with some call to actions. So anyone can do this. If you guys want us to clone this campaign and roll it out for your septic company, just reach out below in the description. There's a link to apply to work with us. If you want to run this campaign yourself, learn how to do it yourself, there's links in the description as well to learn how to do Google Ads like this and how we build our campaigns and the methodology we use to build them. You can check that out. Lots of free training. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.